What is up, legends? It's me again. I'm back with another video that you didn't ask for. All my thing just arrived from IKEA. Flippin' took me forever to carry it here. Oh my god. Not from IKEA. Just from the reception. So I'm quite tired. Yeah, so I need to unbox that, open up, trying to assemble it. I don't even know how. Come here, baby. Right. I got a mat because I got that tiny little black one, so I decided to get a bigger one, and it looks quite ugly actually. Yes, this is my rack. This looks hectic. This is some steel shit. And my shoe racks. Oh, it only holds one shoe. What the hell is the point in that? Oh my god. Anyways, I got 3, so I can hold 3 individual shoes. Perfect. I'm seeing nails and I'm getting quite nervous because I don't have a hammer and I don't know how to put nails. Oh no, what is that? What the fuck am I supposed to do this? Oh. There's me. That's me trying to assemble it. That confused little thing. Oh, so I do need a screwdriver. Brilliant. Okay, I'm gonna have to find something to replace that. Obviously, I don't have a screwdriver. I'm honestly impressed I even got this to start with. Oh my god. Why are there only 3 poles? Surely there should be 4. That's what this is for. Okay. I think we should go to Spa and quickly get a screwdriver. Okay, let's go. They didn't have any screwdrivers, so I got a bottle opener instead. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I will make it happen. And then I obviously got a coffee because, well, it was right in front of me, so I had to. And then I got these cookies because they look flippin' unbelievable. Oh, wrong way around. There we go, on our way. Then we get our screwdriver coming in here. What is it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty, eh?
Oh, how about none of the above?
I think that's in. It's basically in. That's done. Oh, but why are there so many poles? Oh, okay, so I think this is on the wrong side. Yo, if you could see how bad I'm doing this. As you can maybe tell already, I'm quite bad at this. But it's half in, so I'm just gonna pretend that it's right. And we're gonna go back to where I was before and put the other one in, which I've already done. But I like to make my life very difficult for myself. It seems to be that way. I'm basically just moving the knife around. Like, the knife's just going in circles like this, and the actual nail thing hasn't even moved once. God really said no when I wanted to build the ability. Really said no, you don't have that. That's enough of that. That looks good. I'm on step 3 already, reaching the home stretch. See, now that looks so much better. I like the look of this. Put this thing in there. And what? And then it says put this thing here. And then just go like this. But why? What's going on? Maybe, oh, you're gonna scream when you found out. That was so embarrassing. I forgot that there's another pole that actually comes in between here. So that's why, yeah. So they're not dumb, it's actually me. I'm really stupid. People, like, I promise you, I always tell people, they're like, oh, you're clever.
I'm not.
I'm literally so dumb. Actually, oh, look at me, I'm a mechanic. Look at this wifey material here. I'll go off, sis. I was just thinking about it. Is mechanic even the right word? Right, next up we have this bad boy. Oh no! That is the most embarrassing thing I've done all day. I was trying to zoom in, and instead of zooming in on my phone, I was zooming in, yeah, in real life. This one's more of like a shelving thing. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I see a shitload of nails that I have to nail on. Oh. Because the basic manual, it's not basic, it's flippin' difficult. There's 24. How long did it take me to do the last one? And there was 2. Brilliant. Like that. Okay, let's get this first bad boy in. The holes are too small for the nails. Who created this, honestly? There was an option in the beginning, and they were like, yeah, we can assemble it for you. Stupid. Why did just for a YouTube vid. Regrets, because now I'm gonna have an ugly ass shelf sitting in my cupboard. Oh, I'm gonna scream. It doesn't go further than that. Okay, I've got a light update. I've put this one together and this one. That one fell off, so I'm gonna have to redo that again. I'm tired, my back hurts. Manual labor is not a vibe. You alright? They always say that here. It's so funny. You alright? Yeah, mate. I'm alright. Can you say some kaluma, fam? Sabona, innit?
Fam, do you want me to kaluma? Is that it? I can kaluma. Sabona, innit?
Might have a few cuts and scratches on my hands from using this knife. But otherwise, all good. I don't like the look of that. There's about 100 nails left. I haven't used any of them. I've used like 6. I'm done! Look how good that looks. OMG. Perfect. Tall but perfect. I'm surprisingly a much better builder than I thought I was. It only took me like 2 hours. Just looks a bit funny because like a few nails are just missing from the side and stuff like that. I just put my clothing on my rack and I'm such an aesthetic queen. Look at this Rainbow Nation coming on. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge. Bang. I think it looks so nice when you walk in. All these beautiful colors that I've got going on. And this thing. I'm very happy with how today went with all my stuff. And now I back my skills. I think I'm such a good builder. And yeah, I think I'm gonna pour myself a drink because that was hectic. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you can see when I post a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye now. Goodbye.